Hello, good evening members. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, LiveXTech256. In today's video, I want to show you how to earn free money. Just doing some surveys, watching YouTube videos. It is a real because I have already cashed out mine. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you are the first person to see it. Yeah, first of all, you have to open the site. The site is here. The site is here. Please feel free. The link is in the description box. The link is in the description box. The link is in the description box. Feel free. It is taking long to open, but feel free. As we are opening it, yeah, the site is here. It has opened. It has opened. I think you're seeing my account balance is this one. I think you're seeing it. Yeah, how to earn using this site. On withdrawals, you can withdraw your money using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other sites. Yeah, the link is in the description box. I think you're seeing. You can earn via YouTube videos. I'm telling you the truth, this site is very legged. You can win 5.2 US dollars, 7.62 US dollars. It is real, it is paying out. As it says, when you want to see your wallet, yeah, current balance. I think you are seeing it. We have other offers. Other offers is here. I think you're seeing. You can share your post on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, and you earn. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks.